Hello everyone, today let's talk about the main components and functions of a steel coil cutting line. Firstly, we have the uncoiler, which is the starting point of the entire production line. Its main function is to unwind the steel coil, maintain tension, and ensure smooth entry into the cutting line. Common types include single point, double point, and sliding tray uncoilers. Next is the straightener. Steel coils can become bent or uneven during unwinding. The function of the straightening machine is to correct these problems, so that the steel coil remains straight and convenient for subsequent cutting. Common straightening machines include roller straightening machines and stretch straightening machines. Then let's look at the hydraulic shears. This is the core equipment of the entire cutting line, used to cut the steel coil into predetermined sizes, according to different cutting requirements. There are two types of shearing machines: transverse shearing machine and longitudinal shearing machine. The feeding device is used to transport the steel coil to the cutting position to ensure that the steel coil can accurately enter the cutting equipment. It has two types, roller type and belt type, which can ensure the smooth transmission of steel coils. In order to ensure that the steel coil is in the correct position when cutting, a positioning device is used. This prevents deviations from affecting the cut quality. Common positioning devices include photoelectric sensors and mechanical limiters. The cut steel strip needs to be rewound, which depends on the winder. The coiler can roll the cut steel strip into coils for easy storage and transportation. We usually see two types of winders: double roller and single roller. The control system is the brain of the entire production line. It controls all parts of the production line, including speed regulation, tension control, cutting accuracy, etc., to ensure that the entire process is efficient and stable. Common control systems include PLC control and CNC system. During the cutting process, it is very important to maintain the tension of the steel coil, which requires a tensioner to accomplish. The tensioner can prevent the steel belt from loosening or stretching during cutting. Common ones include mechanical tensioners and pneumatic tensioners. In order to keep the working area clean, we also need a chip removal device, which is responsible for collecting and processing the waste and debris generated during the cutting process. Common chip removal devices include scraper type and vacuum type. In addition, there are some auxiliary equipment such as lubrication system, cooling system, and safety protection devices. These devices ensure the normal operation of the production line and the safety of the operators. Finally, the detection device is used to monitor the quality of the steel coil on line to ensure the accuracy and consistency of cutting. We usually use technologies such as laser measurement and image recognition for detection. These components work closely together to form an efficient and precise steel coil cutting production line. These components work closely together to form an efficient and precise steel coil cutting production line, greatly improving processing efficiency and quality. Well, today's explanation ends here. I hope it will help you understand the steel coil cutting line. Thanks for listening.